Hello and welcome to Formula Drift Atlanta. I'm with Navo and Eddie.
What's up?
And I'm gonna go over a few rules about going to Formula Drift. What do you think is number one? I think it's sunscreen.
Sunscreen. And get a couple of these umbrellas.
It was $40 for fabric and some metal. And Mr. Eddie convinced me to get it too.
It saves your life though.
So my poor knees are burning to death. Check it out, dog. Next piece of advice, if you want to make a really cool video here at FD, get a media pass. But another piece of advice is, if you film here with a ticket and or media pass, Formula Drift has a clause saying that any audio video you take here is automatically theirs. I learned it the hard way the first time I was here, and they took my video. So FD, if you're watching, I'm not mad, but I learned the hard way, okay?
Bug spray.
There it is.
Our legs are getting ate up by ants right now. It's terrible.
Also bring sunglasses, but don't buy gas station sunglasses that crack in half. Also, I would bring a fan. I would bring like a portable fan.
Yes, a small little fan with some water in it, you'll be good.
I didn't bring a cooler, and so I've been living off free NOS, free Monster, and water. Next step, get here early and know the schedule. The day before is qualifying, so if you really don't care about qualifying, just don't come the day before. I think that's a good piece of advice, but we actually enjoy qualifying because you get to see the drivers kind of get in their stride, see them learn the course, and if they've never been here before, it's even more interesting. And we come because it is more laid back and there's not as many people, but competition day, as you see, is crazy. Yeah, so I was gonna say in this video you should come early, but actually I'm gonna advise against it because we've literally sat here since 8 in the morning and nothing.
To the drifting.
Come closer to the drifting schedule.
We sat here for 6 hours pretty much. Yeah,
6 hours.
Yeah. No drifting.
In the sun.
A lot of crashes.
Hi, James.
Hi.
What's your number one piece of advice for coming to Formula Drift?
Umbrella.
Oh yeah, that's what we said
Like
earlier.
umbrella, cooler, lots of water, sunglasses, and sunscreen.
And subscribing to James Wood.
And subscribing to my YouTube channel. You guys should also go to the GTA side of the whole track. It's some of the fastest time attack cars in the world come here. There's Will's Civic that just ran a 119 on this track.
Which, by the way, the fastest thing ever at Road Atlanta was a 101 in an F1 car. So a Civic doing only 19 seconds slower. Or 18 seconds slower, excuse me.
That Civic is, I think, the fastest time attack car in North America.
If you sit too close, you can't see over the fence. So you literally go, oh my God, there's nobody here. We can sit as close as we want.
Like those people, right?
But you can't sit down in front of the fence because unless you're like 7 feet tall, which I'm not, unfortunately, Shaq. So I'm gonna basically sit back here, more elevated, and you can see the whole track. If you've never been to FD, make sure to go to the pits in the paddock because it is free for everybody to go meet pretty much everybody. You can go there, hang out with them, ask them questions, look at their car up close. It's not like NASCAR, F1, or anything else where you have to pay to go into the pits and have special treatment where you're like, oh, I have to pay $100 to meet Dale Earnhardt. You know, like, it's not that way here. It's much more grassroots here at FD. You can go in there, take a really good look at people's setups. I actually learned a lot by looking at other people's setups about my previous cars. Like when I did my 2J swap, I actually looked at people's 2J swaps at FD and go, oh, that makes sense. So like I said earlier, you can literally just walk around and do whatever you want, talk to all the drivers, see all the cars up close. So they really don't keep anything secret. They pop their hoods and you can see whatever you want and how they do their setups, and then you can see how expensive everything is. How are things going?
Great, man.
So
Wonderful.
tell me what your part is in FD now.
My part in FD is I've sponsored quite a few teams. Vaughn's team, along with Chelsea. Jerry Yang in the Achilles GTR. We got Taylor Hull in the Cadillac this year.
A lot of guys.
Yeah, we got a lot of guys.
Yeah. But we just saw Vaughn and Turek
go
kill
at
it,
yeah.
and either of them could have won, honestly.
Absolutely.
So, but yeah, your injectors are running with no problems, which is awesome.
That's right.
And in this beauty. Oh my God, David Thomas.
Yeah.
From the 240 bill 2 years ago,
Yes,
which you
sir.
still haven't seen complete, I don't
No,
think.
I haven't.
Oh.
I haven't seen it running.
Oh my God, it's so
Hey,
different
the beautiful
now.
turret's done though.
I know, I'm so proud of you.
We got to do like
I
a
know.
catch-up video.
I cannot wait. So you guys might have seen a video I did with Federico yesterday in the timeline. I did that yesterday when you see this video. But the problem is that they snapped 3 axles on the Ferrari yesterday and they couldn't replace them. Alan drove around forever to find axles, but he couldn't because it's a Ferrari. So ballsy platform, that's what happens sometimes. So he didn't even get to qualify. So my best wishes to Federico for the next round because he was a super cool dude when we did the video together. Guys, I need a favor. I need you to wake me up inside because I can't wake up and save me. I'd like to dedicate this to 2002's Daredevil with Ben Affleck. That was awful and the cringiest fight scene at a playground of all time.
I hate when you would jump, like the leaping was horrible.
Yeah, and the CG was super bad on the church, remember? I forgot to mention the part that everybody who's smart and bought an umbrella also blocks your view, but you shouldn't get mad because they block your view because they're trying to survive. This is everybody.
Hey.
Say hi, everybody.
What's up?
Okay, who's versus who?
It's it looks like James Dean and Ryan Turk.
Yeah, Ryan Turk.
I'll take Turek.
I got Dean.
Even though if Dean is watching, which you probably are, you are so consistent, it's scary. Yeah, everybody left is awesome, so it's like, I don't know. Okay, I'm using a wide angle lens, so it is kind of hard to see what was going on, but it was super close, like bumper to bumper, door to door, almost the whole time. So I'm glad I picked Turek now. I think we're okay. The BMW had it in the bag the first run. Forrest Wang accidentally screwed up. Then the BMW screwed up the next run. What? What? Yes! What? Dean all day. Dean all day. He won. I lost. Totally.
I can't agree.
Turek straightened out at the very end. That was it.
I said James Dean.
Yeah, you said Dean, I said Turek. And Turek did so strong at the beginning. We were like,
Turk is an insane driver. He
Yeah.
slays it every year.
So, Formula Drift, always an amazing experience. I think I showed a very different side of the experience rather than just doing a pretty glamour shot video of drifting. Sure, I could have made this beautiful video with music and everything like I always do, but I wanted to get the passion of the people. And man, they were wild. They were a great time. Thanks so much to everybody who let me chill in their booth. And I'll see you guys next time. Take it easy. Have a fantastic night. Hey, you, want clean wheels? Hey, use this. Spray on. Let sit for 45 seconds and turn purple. Spray again with water. Clean wheels. Make sure to check out www.pattersoncarcare.com. Made by car dudes for car dudes.